Welcome back to the conclusion lecture, and in this section you learn a lot of things. You learn to create a library management system, a project, a simple one though, but it could have been implemented in many other ways. You could have written a totally object-oriented structure. You could have written a lot of things we didn't need to write. We could have just used built-in functions for those things, but we wrote functions for that because you want to make sure that you practice this stuff yourself. And in the beginning, that is very important that you do. So now you can write your own programs because if you had written all of those functions yourself, you should be at least somewhat comfortable with writing Python applications yourself, Python scripts yourself, Python applications yourself. And you can write a lot of stuff with that. You have a lot of power when it comes to programming. And this was the main bulk of this course, that you can learn to program and you can write your own programs using using functions, using classes. And from next lecture, we will learn about the graphical user interfaces using Python and PyQt, which is what we'll talk about in the next lecture, in the next section. So you have done a good job so far. This was the main bulk. If you have done this, you can pretty much do anything. So I'll see you in the next lecture where we'll talk about GUIs, graphical user interfaces, and till then, take care.